think that's awesome. Watch this.
Hey guys, you hear that noise? Hey look, the kids are playing with their new toys I got. Ow! Hey guys, stop that! Guys, stop that, it's not funny. There you guys are. Speaking of remote controls, did you know I still have this Phantom 4? I found it still active when I was taking out the trash.
So what?
So what? Wait till you see it again. I reprogrammed it with a couple new features I'm sure you're gonna like. Just wait until I unleash it again. But in the meantime, I need to take these babies in for their naps.
See you later, Daddy-O. I think we're pretty good at this payback stuff. True, but can you think of a couple people who had not had their payback yet?
Hashtag girl power.
Let's do it.
So, you guys excited to hang out with Eli and Liam again?
Yeah, we had fun last time they came over.
I wonder what games they have planned for us.
Well, whatever it is, get ready for some more rough play.
I don't think we need to worry about that again.
Yeah, we let them know what happens when girls decide to play rough too. I mean, I think they learned their lesson after we destroyed them last time, didn't they? You don't think the twins would try anything sneaky because of what happened at our house last time, do you?
Don't worry, because if they do, I've got something for them.
Okay, cool. What is it?
Don't worry, just trust me. Just do whatever I say, whenever I say it.
Okay. Just because you're older than me doesn't make you the boss of me.
Let's just say our gun collection got a little bit sweeter.
Ah, this is gonna be fun. At least this time we will choose any gun we want. Let's just use all of them. Are you serious? Yeah, think about it. Time is up, payback time! Welcome to round 2.
Now, boys, that's completely uncalled for.
Guys, what are you doing?
No mercy!
Eli and Liam, stop! Stop, wait!
These guys are crazy.
Actually, I knew this was gonna happen.
What? How?
Boys are so predictable.
So now do I get to know about our sweet new arsenal?
Girls, go ahead. I got this.
No, Daddy, you don't know what you're doing.
Maybe so, but this has to stop.
Hey Bob, catch!
But how did you...
Trust me, when you live in this family, you're always prepared. Come on, they ran out of ammo.
So long, suckers.
Parents. Okay, Addie, check this out.
No way they stand a chance now.
Let's do this. Hashtag girl power. twin that doesn't have a gun.
I got an idea. Hope we're not too late.
Okay, this is our last hope. Unless there's something massive, we can't be stopped.
Julian, what are you doing here?
Protecting myself. What are you doing here?
Hiding from him. James, come here. Stop, man. I almost had a girl. Don't worry about that. Just follow me. Thanks for coming over, girls. Hope to see you again.
Even with our new arsenal, we still got destroyed.
If we are gonna stand a chance next time, we'll need some backup.
I've got it! We need more girls.
That's it. More girl power. Time to call in the reinforcements.